Today in the grain market, soybeans is surging. The concerns about weather in South America is really taking hold of the market and really has given it a big boost. Southern Brazil and Argentina temperatures are abnormally high. The outlook going forward could mean that there's going to be some real stress on the crops right now. Futures finally did break through that $13 mark, and they really started to gain a head of steam. We had plenty of follow through buying. And even meal has also performed very well, really underpinning this rally right now. I think the next resistance level was supposed to be 1330, which we're just a few cents away from it right now. That just shows how strong the market is. Once it finally broke through that resistance, we thought that may happen as we get closer to the end of the year. The last 3 years, it's been kind of interesting where how the grains have responded to the market as we move towards the last few days. We've been up really about $1 in the last week, just to give you like a perspective of what's happening here. The C-vol for soybeans is 18%. The oil is 33.6. The meal is 27.6. But I think we're going to see a big uptick on that going forward. Corn also was higher. The futures did break through their $6 mark finally. The December uptrend is just churning like a well-oiled machine. There's been some projections that in 2022, the break even for corn is going to be up to $4.70, and the beans is going to be at $11.06. And that's a sign of things to come. That could be a pretty high basis to start from. Perhaps we have an explosive market, on the horizon as we're going forward. Now, the C-val for corn is at 23.1%, and moving up. So markets strong really across the board today. Wheat modestly higher today, but the futures did continue that reversal to the upside. Yesterday, we had a huge surging market. I think the uptick in the drought monitor in Kansas is a big issue, since Kansas is the biggest producer of wheat. And I think wheat had been undervalued for a while now. And so a 65-cent move in a week is really big for that Chicago wheat market. And now, we kind of moved up a big chunk right now and got everybody's attention. The market's still, very, very strong. The C-val for wheat is at 28% right now. So one thing to be focusing on as we turn to 2022, extreme weather on the horizon. We're going to be watching that closely. So, let's see what happens. Yesterday, we are past now the winter solstice. I mean, yesterday was the 21st day of the 21st year of the 21st century. Something to think about as we go forward in our markets.